This is the latest outdoor barrel sauna sold and assembled by Gappsi in Gray River, New York. This is the model EEG6. Very beautiful sauna. The top is covered with the shingles. We built a sauna in a concrete pad. The front of the sauna is all glass, see-through. It has a bench facing the glass door with extra benches or steps. It has controlled thermostat. It also has lights. The sauna is perfect if you have a view that you want to see while you're on the sauna. We installed a Harvia heater. But it smells very beautiful. Is the latest SaunaLife delivered by Gappsi. Gappsi also installed this pool and travertine patio about 15 years ago. Is one of our repeat customers. The pool was built with an auto cover. The cover lasted 15 years. It was just recently replaced. And the travertine is also being installed for 15 years.